Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Skrill as a payment method to Shopify and connect Skrill to your Shopify store seamlessly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. Once you're there, select Payments. In the Payments section, you'll want to look for third-party payment providers. Instead of searching for a payment method, make sure to search by the provider and enter Skrill. Once you've found Skrill, click on it. You may notice that Skrill has a transaction fee of. If Shopify Payments is available in your country, consider using it for a 0% transaction fee. However, if Skrill suits your needs, go ahead and select Skrill Official and click on Install in the top right corner. If you encounter an error during the installation, try logging in again and reinstalling the Skrill app. Once installed, you'll need to connect your Skrill account. You will be asked for your API password and secret key. If you're unsure how to find these, here's a quick guide. 1. Secret key. Log into your Skrill account and go to Settings, then Developer Settings. Enter a secret word in the provided field and click Save. 2. API password. In the same developer settings, change the API password by entering and confirming a new one. Ensure the password is at least 8 characters long. You'll also be prompted to enter the email associated with your Skrill account. Make sure all details are correct to ensure a smooth connection. And that's it. You've successfully added Skrill as a payment method to your Shopify store. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to every comment and will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one.